Now it is.
Hello. I got a package. So we just got home from work, sindok na dan. And then I got this package. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Akala ko makeup because I'm expecting makeup. And you guys, I opened it in the car because I was so excited. Kasi akala ko nga yung makeup na hinihintay ko. But then when I opened it, hindi ko pa siya na-open kasi sabi ni Dan mag-vlog ka. Hindi ako nag-vlog today. I wasn't planning to vlog at all today kasi gusto ko mag-vlog bukas. And yeah, I was working, so I wasn't planning to vlog. But Dan is like, you need to vlog. So yeah, look it. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. I'm gonna open it right now. Nung nakita ko yung YouTube, as in sobrang saya ko, tapos si Dan din. You were so happy as well. Hello, babe! Oh my gosh! You've done something very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing chart. 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Aww. That's great. That's amazing. We know numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Okay, are you ready? Oh my gosh, babe. Oh my goodness. Babe, Simply Race. Oh, that's so beautiful. The silver play button. That is so cool. We can hang it as well. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's heavy, babe. I have my name on it. 100,000 subscribers. Aw, that's so nice. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Hindi ko naman ito makukuha kung hindi dahil sa inyo. So, thank you. Like, parang nakakaloka. Hindi ko alam kung nasasabihin ko. Hindi ko umiyak. Pero, yeah. You happy, babe?
Yeah.
Happy said. Dan said he will take pictures and post it on his... He doesn't have social media, so I don't know what he's going to do with it. Maybe email people with his picture. I don't know. But yeah, that's so cool. That is so freaking cool. Thank you. Sobrang thank you, guys. As in, sobra. Nagpunta kami ng Kmart. Nakakaloka. I will show them the stuff that I got back while they're there. We will drive to Melbourne tomorrow. And wala akong... this is so cool. Wala akong lalagyan ng ano. Wala akong ganito. So, I got this. It's the same as kung ano yung meron sa Dan noon. And then, of course, kapag pumunta kami ng Kmart, lagi talaga kami pumunta sa clearance. And then, was like, okay, let's go to the clearance section. So, we went. And, of course, dinala ko yung mga hanger, guys. Ito, sobrang mura lang. Kakaloka. So, this one is only for $1. Sobrang ganda ng quality nito. They even call this the premium tea. So, yeah, this... I have something similar, pero extra small, so I have the small one. And then this one is only $2. Oh, that one is $2, not $1. But this one is $2. So, I don't know, Marlon maybe can wear this. This is medium. So yeah. And then this one is $1. And this one is small. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I got like something. Oh, maybe not this color. Maybe orange. Pero yeah, $1 lang siya. And then boxers as well for only $1. I don't know, para kanino, basta I saw it there. I was like, $1. Here, why not? And this is for Donny Boy because he likes red. So, $1 as well. And the quality of this is actually not bad. It's not like thin at all. And yeah, the mug. And then that's all we got from Kmart. Now we need to finish packing for Melbourne tomorrow. We need to wake up at 4 in the morning and then leave around 4:30. So gotta pack. Let's pack, babe.
Okay.
And Dan got me pasta kasi I missed the family dinner again. Oh, this looks really good. I wanna eat now. Nag-family dinner sila sa bahay ng kambal ni Dan. Babe, can you open it for me, please? Sobrang excited din si Dan nung na-receive niya. As in, sobra. Nung na-open ko sa car, sobrang excited niya. Hala, ang sarap ng pasta, guys. Kambal ni Dan yung nagluto na to. Sarap! Kakainin ko to. And then, binigyan niya din ako ng bread. Thank you, babe. plano sana namin pumunta doon before umuwi dito. So, mag-stop lang sandali. Kaya lang, alam ko na late na para sa kanila yun. Kasi merong bata. So, sabi ko, wag na lang. Pero sabi nila, try natin. Tinanong niya. And, yeah, late na. Pero okay lang yan. I will see them again naman next week. So, oh, what time do I finish?
No, you're not working next Friday.
Oh, I'm not working next Friday. Yeah, right. Okay. Kakain lang ako, guys. Kain tayo. Good morning! It is 4:33 in the morning and we're off. We're off to Melbourne. Nandun na kami, guys. So, we woke up at 4. Nag-shower lang sandali. And then, si Dan, ginawa niya kami ng coffee. So, meron siyang kanya. And then I have mine. So, yeah. Going to Melbourne. 8 hours. Good luck. You ready, babe?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. I slept early, actually. I don't remember what time I slept. Basta, diretso tulog ako kagabi after namin na-prepare lahat. So, yeah. I feel good. I have my bread here. Dinala ko na ng 3 bread kagabi. I ate 2. And then, yeah. Dadalhin ko ngayon. And did you make me the brown and creamy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Ang lamig. Nag-stop lang kami sandali dito. We're at quick stop sa Tentenara. And naghanap ako ng pistachios kagabi. Nung patulog na kami doon, sabi ko, gusto ko ng pistachios. And wala sila.
Coffee cup, babe.
The coffee cup? Why?
To get rid of the...
There's no more in there. So, wala silang pistachios, so I got this. Ito lang yung nuts na meron sila dun. Salted peanuts from Nobis. Yeah. Ang lamig. Sobrang ihing-ihi ako. 1 oras siguro kami naghintay kasi walang service station. Merong service station sa ibang lugar pero on dilim-dilim, nakakatakot. So yeah. Anyway, we're off again. It's 6:38. Guys, very foggy. Oh, that looks good. And a bit scary. Oh, that looks good. Dito kami sa, is it Neil?
Yeah.
Yeah, basta Neil ang tawag. And we will go here. Bakery. There. Tingnan nyo, ha? Ay, hindi nyo makita. Yeah, if they have a toilet.
There are toilets over there.
I'll go.
Couple toilets.
So, yeah. Let's go to the bakery first. Are my cheeks red? Why? Pero nandito na kami, guys. Dito na kami sa hotel. It's called the City Edge Apartments Hotel. It's actually not bad, guys. Look at this. Yan yung door. Hindi lang siya key card. Key talaga siya na key. But, yeah. So, I'll just do a quick room tour kasi maliit lang siya. And ito naman yung hinahanap namin maliit. Tapos yung parking, as in right next lang. Yung kasunod na iskina, yun lang dun. Sobrang lapit lang ng parking, which is great. So, meron tayong... Let's see, hindi ko pala check yung toilet. Oh, okay, where's the switch? Okay, so ito, not bad actually. Yan. And then toilet, and then Shower here. There. Not bad. And then paglabas. Ito. So, ganyan siya. And gusto ko to, guys. Yes. Mirror. Yung door ng kanilang closet. Meron silang plancha, bongga. Wala silang robe. Pero meron silang blanket. And then meron silang kabayo. And lalagyan ng luggage mo if meron kang luggage. And ito pala yung outfit ko. So, I'm wearing this oversized na denim jacket from Shein, I think it is. This white t-shirt is from GearBest. And then I'm wearing my leggings from Kmart and just wearing my thongs. Havaianas. And then, yan lang yung bag namin. Yung lapi ko at saka lapi ni Dan. Malaking bag, mga damit. Backpack ko. And then, sila ninaano niya yung AC. But dito sa gilid, meron silang maliit na parang kitchen area. Which is great. So, meron silang microwave. Meron silang maliit na fridge. So, lalagay namin dito yung drinks namin. Kasi dinala namin yung sobra namin kanina sa trip. And then, sa taas, meron silang mga cabinets. Yep, may mga baso dyan. And then, may mga drawers. Oh, okay. Mga drawers dito. Ay, bongga. Meron pa talaga mga gamit. Oh, dishwasher, babe! That's a cute mini one. Okay. Tapos, yung may bin. Tapos yung bed, ang liit ng bed. Pero okay lang naman. Maganda naman, malinis. Gusto ko yung pa-design nila dyan. And then, meron lang isang side table. And then, ganyan yung labas. So, meron kaming maliit na veranda. And then, merong couch dito na maliit. And then, may TV na maliit din. And then, is it open? Oh, it's open. Okay. So, yeah. Ito yung maliit na veranda namin. And then, the view, buildings. Sobrang silaw. But, yeah. And hindi ko na ito makita, guys. Pero, yan. Not bad. How much did we pay for this?
I think about 165 a night.
165 a night.
Yeah.
Not bad. Right?
That's alright.
Yeah. 165. Mabango ha, in fairness. It smells nice. Whatever they use. It's good. And it's sunny outside. It looks really nice outside. Look at it. Okay. What should we do?
Get ready.
Okay, get ready. Magme-makeup lang ako, tapos lalabas kami, tapos we will watch footy! That's why we're here. Nag-makeup lang ako konti, and then alis na kami. Lalakad-lakad, tapos mamayang gabi, punta kami football. So, okay yung ano nila dito guys, malinis oh. Hindi malaki yung kwarto, pero malinis. See? Bet ko din yung mga painting-painting lang ganap. Is that a painting? I don't even know. We're going to H&M! There guys, ang malaking H&M. Dito kami sa H&M guys, and nandito kami sa home section. Nakapili na ako, so I'm gonna get this. And then sila nakapili na din siya ng coat niya. Nakita lang namin, dumaan lang kami, tapos may coat na ano, 50% off. So tinry niya. And ano, I think I'm gonna get this para mapalitan ko yung ano ng throw pillows namin sa couch. How many do we have? 2? 3? Pillows. How many pillows do we have?
Where?
Sa lounge. 2? Okay, I'll get 2, huh? What?
That's allowed.
Yeah.
Oh, I just need to put your product on.
Oh, I can do that as well. Akala niya pang flat lay. It's gonna look good. You don't like it? You don't like it, babe?
If you want it, babe.
Yeah. Sige. Let's keep looking. Babe.
Oh, God.
What is it? It's just a pillow. A small pillow. Hala, babe. Look it. Hala. It has ears. Ay, ang mahal, over. 24. Ang ganda sana ng gray. Oh. Ano yung nandito? This is so soft. Look at babe. Look at that.
Look what?
It has ears. But it's $25. Ay, hala. Babe, I like this. The skull. Look, I like the skulls, babe. Look at it.
Yep.
Wala ni, maganda to pang ano, oh. Pang sa banyo. Hindi na nga lang nakasale ang mamahal, ha? I want this. Mrs. Where's Mr.? There. Ang mahal, ha? Baso, $8. Galing kami sa Meijer. At H&M. Ito, ang lamig. Tinahanap namin yung ramen. Kinainan namin last time na nandito kami. Daming tao, guys. Sobrang busy sa mga mall. Sobrang busy. Sa Meijer, ay nako, sobrang sikip. Sa ano, lalo na sa H&M, dun sa sale na area, gusto ko sana i-check. Sabi na babalik daw kami bukas doon. I-check daw namin lahat. Pero yeah, hala. The Porsche looks really good. Nahanap na namin, guys. Little ramen bar. Yan. I hope it's open. Is it? Dito na kami sa apartment. Ooh, I like that big mirror. So, yung reception nila nasa kabila. Tapos, dito yung mga rooms. And kailangan namin mag-ano dyan. Meron kaming keycard para i-swipe. Para ma-open siya. Pero sa kwarto talaga, ano, key. So, balik kami sa hotel. Kasi yung ano pala, little ramen place, it's closed. They will open at 5:30. And pagdating namin doon, 4 pa. So, babalik kami. And, magbibihis kami. Tapos, babalik kami doon. Tapos, diretso na footy. So, yeah. Napunta kami sa Meijer. Naghanap ako ng shoes. Hindi ako nakahanap. Ang problema kasi sa boots, gusto ko ankle boots. Ang problema is sobrang laki niya sa ankle na part. Kasi ang liit ng ano ko. Alis na naman kami, guys. I'm wearing this jacket na I got kanina from H&M. Wala nang tag. Tinanggal ko na. I really like it. Meron akong ganito. Mas makapal. Mas warm. Kaya lang, sobrang haba. Like, hanggang dito siya. So, very boxy tingnan. But yeah, this one I really like. Parang yung color niya. Basta, makikita niyo mamaya. And then, I'm wearing my jumper that I got from Gearbest. Meron siyang pocket. And then, I'm just wearing my leggings from Kmart. Yung suot ko kanina. And then, my shoes from combat boots from Charlotte Russe. So, yeah. Let's go! Dito na kami sa Little Ramen Bar. Kaka-open lang nila. Dito yung sobrang sarap na ramen, guys. Maliit lang yung shop nila. Tapos sobrang sarap na ramen. Like, yeah. Uy! Yan. Ito lang. Ganito kalaki. From there. Tapos yan yung door. Yan na. Sobrang liit lang ng table nila. Oh. Tapos puno na, guys. Kaka-open pa lang nila. Pero puno na. Meron ng tao dito. Tapos meron silang dalawang table sa labas. Do you wanna go outside, babe? Or you stay here? Okay. I got the ramune. Yung parang Japanese na drink. It's good. I got that last time. Tapos si Dan, he got the Asahi Dia. Yan. Hala. What did you do, babe? Careful, babe. Yeah, go. Careful. Yes, you got it. Thank you.
You need a spoon and straw.
The little bowl. Wait. Ang laki ng ramen, guys. This is my garlic show. Tapos si Dan, special miso. Try it, babe. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. So, dyan kami, ha, sa Little Ramen Place. Sobrang sarap. Tagal ni Dan. Over. Where are you looking at? He's gonna wear his scarf. Sobrang sarap ng ramen. Okay. Sobrang sarap ng ramen, guys. As in, the best. Ano siya? How much was it, babe? $14?
What's that?
The ramen? Pero okay lang kasi. Malaki. Doon kami punta, guys. Etihad. Or, how do you pronounce it? Etihad. Etihad Stadium. Doon kami. Itong mga batang ito, supporter sila ng ibang team. Tingnan nyo naman kami ni Dan. The things I do for you, babe. Look at me with this scarf. The things I do for you. Ganda ng view dito. Ano kami?
Save your battery for in there, babe, and later.
What?
Save your battery for later.
What am I gonna vlog later? Your team losing? Dito na kami guys. Indoor siya. Sa Adelaide Oval kasi hindi.
I know.
Pero yeah, sabi nila, kasi laki daw to ng Adelaide Oval. Pero para sa akin, mas malaki yung Adelaide. There. Baka malaki lang tignan, pero same lang. Makaka-fit lang ng 50,000 people here. Dito kami sa goal. So, dyan yung goal. Katatapos lang namin kumain si Dan. Tumitingin na naman ng dessert. After daw, magde-dessert kami somewhere. Saan? Where, babe? Nakabalik na kami, guys. Grabe, ang tsaka ng laro kanina. Walang challenge. Yung internet din dito, grabe ang tsaka. Nakalagin ako kanina, tapos naputol, nawala na naman. Hindi ko alam kung napublic ko yung video ko. Pinablic ko siya, tapos biglang sabi niya, success daw, na-public ko daw siya. Tapos, pagtingin ko, private yung may lock na nakalagay sa video ko. So, I'm not sure. And wala akong access. So, hindi ko na alam kung anong ganap. Plano sana ni Dan mag-dessert after. Kaya lang walang malapit na dessert place dito. Tapos, it's already 10:38 dito. Sa Adelaide, 10:08 lang ngayon kasi 30 minutes, kami. Anyway, I will just remove my makeup. Tapos, matutulog na kami, guys. Gabi na. Tapos bukas, shopping. Nag-shopping kami ng slide today. Pero bukas yan. It's gonna be all day shopping trip. Charot. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, good night. Bye.